watch.
Ready to open fire on the enemy. Establish visual contact.
Prepare to fire. Keeping watch.
Target hit. Establish visual contact. Missile launched.
I see a hit on the target.
Fire on command. The target destroyed. Ready to open fire on the enemy.
Establishing visual contact.
That's a hit. Establish visual contact. Fire on command. Captain, Duke ready to fire.
Establishing visual contact. Hit confirmed.
The target destroyed.
Keeping watch.
Captain, the target has been captured. Establish visual contact. Stand by for action. All hands to battle stations. The target is within range. Fire at the enemy.
I see a hit on the target. Prepare to fire. Establishing visual contact.
That's a hit. Missiles ready for launch. Waiting for target designation. Torpedo tubes ready. Fire at will. Do not wait for command. Target destroyed.
Change of ammunition in progress.
Ready to open fire on the enemy. Missiles launched.
I see a hit on the target.
Fire on command. The target destroyed. We are under fire. Combat Unit 5, assess the damage. That's a hit. Captain, the target has been captured. Combat Unit 2, ready to launch the missile.
Keeping watch.
Missiles launched.
I see a hit on the target. Echo 1-1, aiming at the target.
Ready to open fire on the enemy.
Establishing visual contact.
Target hit.
progress. Keeping watch.
The target destroyed. Captain, the target has been captured. Stand by for action. All hands to battle stations.
Enemy target detected. Bearing 9-1.
Harbor integrity focus. Ready to open fire on the enemy.
I see a hit on the target.
Captain, the target has been captured. And we'll launch that target. Target hit.